In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Microsoft to-do list. Whether you want a paper copy for quick reference or a digital PDF you can share, the process is straightforward and only takes a minute. Start by opening Microsoft To Do. You can use the Windows app if it's installed, or open your browser and go to todo.microsoft.com. Once you're in, head to the specific list you want to print. This could be your work tasks, a shopping list, or any custom list you've created. Make sure you're viewing the right list before moving on. Next, look to the top right corner of the list and click the three dots. This opens the List Options menu. If you don't see the dots or prefer working from the sidebar, you can also right-click the list name there to open the same menu. In that menu, you'll see a couple of toggles that control what gets included in your printout. Turn on Print Steps if you want subtasks to show under their parent tasks. This is helpful when you've broken a task into smaller action items and want everything on one page. Turn on Print Notes if you want any notes you've added to tasks to be included as well. Notes can hold important details like addresses, links, or reminders. So switch this on if those details matter for your print. When you're ready, select Print List. Your system's print dialog will appear. Here, choose your printer if you're printing to paper, or select Save as PDF if you'd prefer a digital file. Saving as a PDF is handy for archiving, emailing, or keeping a version you can open on any device. Take a quick look at the preview in the dialog to make sure the content looks the way you expect. When everything looks good, confirm and print. A quick tip to keep in mind: very long task names can get cut off depending on formatting and how your printer handles text. If a task title is lengthy, check the preview so you can see how it will appear. Including notes can help ensure essential details are captured, even if the title is shortened in the printout. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft To Do, go to your list, choose the options that fit your needs, and print or save as a PDF. With this approach, you'll have a clean, readable copy of your tasks wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your neatly printed Microsoft To-Do list.